Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinite Finance. Today I wanna talk about 7 easy passive income ideas. You know what passive income ideas? Passive income means like while you sleep, you are making money. And it is very simple and you can make more and more money using passive income ideas. If you are searching a passive income idea, I have 7 passive income ideas. They are completely simple and easy. So I will show you in this video clearly. So first of all, our first passive income idea is it is real estate crowdfunding. Okay, real estate crowdfunding means they start with as little as $10 at least, and minimum $10 you can start. And platforms like Fundrise earn dividends and property appreciation without hustles of being a landlord or managing tenants. Okay, I think you understand. It is very simple idea here. Real estate crowdfunding, you can easily start with $10. If you have more than $10, you can easily get more money. Okay, next passive income idea is digital products. If you have a knowledge in a specific field, you can easily create like course, ebooks, okay, related to your knowledge. Or okay, so here you can write a ebooks or design online courses, okay, whatever knowledge you have. And or sell stock photos, and if you have an experience of about photography or videos, okay, and low upfront cost with global reach and ongoing royalties that keep paying you. Okay, you have to invest your time only one time, and you can get easily money multiple times repeatedly in the future. Okay, next passive income idea is dividend stocks. Okay, dividend stocks means like share market. So here you can build a portfolio of dividend paying stocks or REFTs for steady quarterly income with the added benefits of potential capital growth over time. I think dividend stocks idea is something long time process, but if you get one time money from dividend stocks, you will easily get multiple times money in future through dividend stocks. And next idea is AI content services. It is very trending topic here, very trendable idea here. AI content services. If you provide AI content services for people, okay, so you can easily get more and more money. You have to invest your time only one time. Okay, like here you use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney to offer automated writing or design services on Fiverr or Upwork, very famous platform here, to provide your services like a freelancer. Okay, with minimum hands-on effort. Okay, I think you understand AI content services. You can easily start, okay, using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney. Okay, next our idea is passive income idea is rent out spare assets. Rent out spare assets. Okay, you monetize you already own. You can monetize you have already owned unused rooms through airwave parking space. Okay, airwave parking space or even your car. Okay, it is also a passive income idea. Okay, and generate passive income monthly cash flow from ideal assets. You understand? If you have a car, room, or other things unused future things. You can easily get money through rent out spare assets. Okay, so there are so many platforms like Airman or okay, so there are so many platforms you can choose online. You can easily find out. Our next idea is crypto staking and DeFi. Okay, so here you can get 10 to 40% APY by staking coins like ETH or stable coins. Okay, ETS or stable coins, you can easily get 10 to 40% APY and use trusted platforms with automated bots to maximize returns while you sleep. Okay, what is your effort here? Your effort is you have to choose greater trustable platforms, okay, or automated bots. Okay, you can maximize your returns while you sleep. Okay, I think if you have not enough knowledge related crypto or staking, you can easily go on YouTube, you can search a video, and if you don't like watching videos, you can easily get knowledge from ChatGPT AI tool. Okay, next our idea is passive income idea is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very famous. It is running from 2020. Okay, so like 5 to 6 years, it is very famous. You can leverage your blogs, YouTube or social media to earn commissions, okay, promoting products you believe in. Build your content or once you earn repeatedly from your audience. Okay, affiliate marketing means you choose a platform, you get a link. Okay, you can promote that link on your social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you will easily get a commission from that platform you are selling products or services. Okay, so I think guys you understand these are our 7 passive income ideas, easy passive income ideas. First is real estate crowdfunding, second is digital products, third is dividend stocks, and fourth is AI content services, and fifth is rent out spare assets, and sixth is crypto staking debts, and seventh is affiliate marketing. Guys, you understand? Okay. If you have doubt related these passive income ideas, you can ask me in the comment box and I will give you reply definitely. So if you have not subscribed this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.